Sculpt and Shape Contour Palettes. These are powder contours that come in two color waves. One is lighter and one is darker. Another very cool feature of this palette is when you open it up, you have a big size mirror, and there are 3 shaping powders and 3 contour powders. I'm going to show you the shades. Right, this is Emphasize, this is Cream, and this is Accentuate. These are not totally matte, but also not shimmer. The finish of these powders is quite stunning actually. So you can see there's some type of highlight here, but it's not shimmer. It's just the kind of texture that beautifies the skin and is very, very flattering. For the sculpting powders, we have Taupe. This is a legendary shade. We have Sculpt, and we have Beige. These shades are all like gray undertone, very realistic. These shades are all matte, and they were specifically designed to create the appearance of a very, very natural shadow that lies on the face. So natural shadow is not orange, it is gray. In the darker shades palette, we have Soft Focus, we have Lightsweep, and we have Warm Light that I love using as blush on myself. These are the colors, beautiful peachy yellow. These also have a very beautiful but subtle and very flattering shimmer. Soft focus just beautifies the skin so much. And then the contour shades are Shadester, Shadowy, and Definitive. Again, matte and gray undertone. Perfect.